Joining commuters driving toward the Chicago Loop, I watched majestic skyscrapers frame the skyline as I witnessed over Lake Michigan early morning clouds, thin at the top. Each cloud looked like a snow-capped mountain framing this flatland city, surrounding the skyscraper skyline with that sun-kissed stratosphere. The clouds almost looked like shadowed drawings touched by the hand of God.